Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a back to school makeup tutorial and I'm so excited because I don't know, not for back to school, but you know, to do another makeup tutorial. This is it's really easy. This is like, if I didn't film this video, it would have took like 5 minutes to do. Most of it is drugstore. I try to use only drugstore, but if you want me to use other products, just comment down below and I'll do it for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. There's a little feather flying around. Subscribe if you're new to my channel and turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's get started. So we're just gonna put my headband on to just take out everything from my face because I have these little hairs, baby hairs in the front, so I'm gonna try to put it back. Honestly, in college I did not wear a lot of makeup and I think I only wore it less than 10 times in the school year, both semesters, so you don't have to do anything. The only thing I did was put on this moisturizer, and this was a Clean & Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, and that's all I did, and I went to class. But today we're not using this because it's empty, and I'm kind of gonna cheat a little because I wanted to do like kind of like a back to school drugstore kind of makeup. So this is a moisturizer I'm using, and this is pretty expensive for a moisturizer, I think. I don't know, but this is my only moisturizer I have besides the Clean & Clear one. So I'm putting this on. You could use any moisturizer that helps your skin out, you know. You gotta be moisturized to make sure you're not dry or anything like that during the school year. You don't have a crusty face. At least moisturizer will. By the way, I don't know which one's going up first, but I have a chit chat get ready with me, and I was saying that I needed to do my eyebrows, and I actually did my eyebrows by myself. I like did all of it by myself, and then I did have nail polish on both hands, but this still has the gel from the chit chat get ready with me. And over here I painted it by myself because I didn't want it to be uneven for this video. I don't know, just wanted to be proper for this video, you know. If it's up, I'll just have it up there and down below. So I'm gonna use a Milk Makeup cooling water, and this is expensive too, kind of. This is like $14. You can find this in milkmakeup.com or in Urban Outfitters. This is where I got it. I didn't buy it, so I don't know. Well, I'm gonna use this as primer and just go all over my face. You don't really need to use primer. This depuffs and blurs redness or gets rid of redness, but I'm just gonna pat it in, make sure it's all in. So that's gonna be my primer. So next, I am gonna use the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and this is the green one, so I'm gonna cover any redness, any dots on my face. Yeah, my nail's too long for this, so I'm gonna go get a brush. So I got this BH Cosmetics brush, and it just looks like this. I'm just gonna use it for the green concealer, and I'm gonna put any redness where you see it. So you don't have to be that extra with this. You don't really have to use it, because if you don't have redness on your face or anything, you don't have to use it. Or if you're in a rush or anything, like, this is just an extra step. So, but if you have time, you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation in 228 Soft Tan, and this is the matte and poreless one. I need to wet my beauty blender. I'm forgetting everything, but be right back. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my wet hand. I'm just kidding, but just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, and dot it on my face. I have a proper mirror, but I have this for now. I'm gonna blend because you don't want to look crusty. I love this foundation because it like just leaves you like flawless and everything. It's so nice. Oh, we have the excess, so I guess we're gonna use the rest. We're just gonna put that on the eyelids, and blend it out. It's like really early in the morning right now, so very quiet and feels like I'm about to go to class, but I'm not. You know? I don't have a drugstore concealer. I use my NARS or my Tarte. I don't know where my NARS is right now, but back then I used to use the Fit Me concealers, and these are the old ones. They're not like really the new ones. And I used to use Medium and Cafe, but these are kind of old and I haven't thrown them out, but yeah. So I'm using my Tarte. I'm so sorry, but I would recommend the Fit Me concealers for a drugstore. I have to use this one first to get another one. Well, another type of concealer, because I don't want to like waste. And I put too much. I shouldn't have put too much. That was stupid of me. I'm just gonna put it on the other eye too, to not use a lot of product. And next is my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, and it just looks like this. You've probably seen it a million times, but I got this from Walmart, so I don't know where everybody else gets it, but yeah. I think they also sell it in the drugstores. So I'm gonna use this puff and just go under my eyes and just set it. I'm not gonna bake or anything. Oh, I just digged my nail in my highlighter trying to open it. Gonna be glowy today. With the light hand, I'm just setting the rest of my face instead of using like another powder. So next are eyebrows, and this is really not a drugstore makeup tutorial, back to school makeup tutorial really. But I don't have any other eyebrow product besides this one. And I talk about it all the time, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick and I'll be right back. I always started talking without starting to record again. Anyways, but now I'm gonna do bronzer, and this is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And this is just the color bronzer. I don't know. I'm digging my nail into everything today. But I'm just gonna use a simple brush, and this is just from Bare Minerals. I'm just gonna go right in and just use the mirror on the thing and just bronze up my face. This is a good bronzer for drugstore, so it's good to get it. The whole Butter Bronzer line is good. I have the blush, the highlighter. So I'm not gonna use the Butter Blush today, and it just looks like this. And this is the one in Plum Rose, but this one doesn't really give a lot of color that I want right now. So I'm using the BH Cosmetics Tulip Blush Duo. You probably can't find this anymore, but yeah. And it's kind of broken, but that's how it looks. I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and just dipping into both shades, tapping it off and smiling. So it just gives you that little flush of color for school. If you're like a dead zombie in the morning, it just gives you color. And next I'm using the Butter highlighter, because this is kind of like the only highlighter I have for a drugstore in rose gold. I'm gonna spray my brush with Mario Badescu spray. I just went into the highlighter. I think I just sprayed this onto my wall, but no problems. Everything is better with the spray, a setting spray, or like Mario Badescu. It makes everything pop. The whole face makeup just makes you look alive and put together. Like, you don't even have to do your eyes right now. Like, I would just walk out like this. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put a Rosebud Salve for my lip balm. You don't really need lip to go to a lip gloss. Well, a lip gloss, yeah. But you don't really need like any really big, bold lip to go to school, because it's just extra. Unless you do a full glam to school, then that's a different story. So I'm going to use a contouring palette from Wet n Wild. This is just a Mega Glow one. And I'm just gonna put this brown shade on my crease. It's a lot of fallout, but I'm just gonna try to just darken up my crease a little. Last is mascara, and I haven't used mascara in so long. I've been doing like the false lashes. This is my eyelash curler, and this is just from Ulta Beauty. This is like really cheap. And this is my Maybelline. Ooh. I did not open that, but this is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.